Mwiroreri wa kirathi gya Karo Kinyugo MWAURA, karibu sana. Ino ni part 2 ya interview iria twikite tukiaraniria na Susan Mwangi who has lived in the US makiria ma miaka 20 na part 1 tugakorwo tugigutariria rugendo rwake kuria bururi-ini wa America na tugakwirira ati this is a continuation. Part 2 tukiaririria uhoro wa one of her investments guku bururi-ini na niyo EthanEla GlowSpa thiini wa tauni ya Thika. Reke riu tunyitane nake tuthie na mbere tumenye atiriri idea no yaciarirwo atia na ginyagia riu ri maundu ni mariko kana motungata ni mariko mari thiini wa spa ino. Goko turi muthenya wa muthe atwe thiini wa Thika town ni tukumerite kuma hari ya kiambiriria in a very well done spa ni jwe ni rona bica icio iri hau video ni no otugithie na mbere. Susan, looks like you have done so many things at once. Yani kaire tugaka shuku makigubori shuku bakigubaka really a go getter tonda na go set up business teno tika undu kahuthu. Yes, undu uyu wabiciririe ri
so ri undu uyu ri ni undu ndawiciritie ogatene but kwe first of all dokari ni ndakoraga ni thuire tondu wa kumenya guthie kwa mundu umwe gukuoha njwiri ni ta njwiri ru. I'm just giving example tiruta wa njwiri no ni kuhenda example ni nyendete haria ndirathio ko Karori ni thondeka njwiri ndi wika.
Yes,
oko ne handu arari ndeke ngijigwe personal privacy ndu ni ndokaga ngakora ati kuria ndirathie guthondekerwo ri tuigitwo you know, although they were doing a good job ni handu hanini muri ingi ni gena movement nyingi ndiona atiriri the good thing we need something in Thika and we need to make Thika as much as we make it city like tutie no Nairobi you know like now even in Thika ni kuraga uhoro wa mukawa a nice restaurant in Thika you know right now you are today tugiwa ni urenda guthie a romantic restaurant no thire Nairobi
nema
so they kare andu aria mena mbeca
madie sector
ni tuko need something nice in Thika town rugiona ni kwagite then in the same thing ni ndeciragia atiriri other than beauty what else can we do so there is other equipment that other services we will show next time that I felt I saw them in America and I'm like this is something that we can bring back.
Okay.
And their wellness is to help with if you have this condition so it's more like a wellness spa like if you have how can we treat it you know how can wa pain how can we treat it like one of the service I have near how to do pain to reduce pain.
Okay,
it's called red light therapy.
Okay,
so I get an accident and I used to have like when I sit for so long I used to have this back pain like even my chairs I had to be popped so kiona hadu ha kind of practical of physical therapy they were offering that service so ngegethie gemera adena karuo so I went but then the githoma makijo it does this and this and this. By the way that day imagine my pain for a long time and never had that pain although they tell you keep going back you know now I was like this is something people I don't have to take pain medicine ado igemena ruo mandati dana dawa na dawa icio cia ruo no cirathukia kidneys so that was one thing it was in America FDA approved machine cio the day show they are FDA approved and sourced from US so other than beauty ni ndeyuriria atiriri ona ngiraga andu wellness check na uhoro wa ku prevent kidneys andu ni maguka you know people pay good money no ungira mundu athi akarihuo akekwo blood work
yes
ndagwiko
hau ne manokaga
ukera mundu taru agwika thie uthimo mathugumo ni akuona kaundu so the other thing we are incorporating here is to have a lab that will do just basic labs. Basic lab like na muno to concentrate na complete metabolic panel iyo niyo igutwira uhoro wa kidney ciaku na maundu maria mange mara happen and then the machine we have it can also do blood count kogo no to wikire blood count but tweda mundu okare one stop shop because I'm a medic you know we can look na go recommend gure ati thie kwi ndagitari because digo ikuhe ni digo kuhe prescription you need to go to a ndagitari kogo gona atiri tungirehe no ri mundu oke haha ri wahithondekwo ndwara ri we have a very nice bathroom wathi wahe mathugumo ndagika ndaguthimia na ndakwira ati this is what we see keep an eye on it ndio igiwoka ireke tukurore
what a good idea
so at the same time natura prevent na natura reduce awareness so that was part of it and then also to make Thika a beautiful city and people feel it's private. One thing I'm proud of you cannot just walk timodo wothe oka ati amenye aigira haha ni akumenya kano no uthondekwo unless anybody is getting a service nobody will know karo we haha
nigukorwo nyingirite
na hatire guti mundu kuma na ku ati okay ingirite if they are not getting a service we have a stop that you are here to get a service ugikira guku kugirwa na kumenya no mugi and then we limit the number of people so we have 6 stations kodo tukona andu atandatu if they are getting pedicure uginyara get manicure we also have so that's the thing behind it ni kuika hadu mundu akigwa it's nice comfortable and you know no torita kindu kiuru you know all of us wants kaudu kega
I agree with
but
you
also there is a big gap also to see people who are doing good work in Thika so I'm so sorry to say it took a while to find people the same service that are being provided in Nairobi
okay
so you hear most people Moriari you're always going to Nairobi you're in Thika you live in Thika Greens why do you have to travel to Nairobi to just get a manicure or a pedicure or a facial come here
wow before we come to EthanEla irugamirire ki wagira kumeta nyambura tani neke jokes kana shoe about neto through the services once again very fast she hana guku one makeup ino weketwo
I'm looking beautiful. Yes.
Tatulistere na ihenya the services again from the top.
So we have a lot of services. So we have a clinical aspect of it and we have the beauty aspect of it. So to start with beauty, netore na manicure, pedicure, netwekaga facial and actually we do hydrofacial. We have a machine that does hydrofacial. Netweka skin analysis. Ekyo menye skin yaku ikarete ati kwera gothie kujipaka kunywaga kina turamenya na ringi probably most of the time it's just dehydration neko korwo duranywa mai netwikaga makeup like you said we do massage all type of massage including hot stone massage then on the medical side we have multiple services that we offer so like I said we have a red light therapy nego guteithia ohoro wa pain you also help like you have some places that you need to reduce some fat you also it does that hafu nekore na especially those people who have gone through chemo na ni marashidia you know like this inflammation nitorina surfaces here we have a machine that helps to get rid of the fluids dialysis it's called lymphatic drainage so we have that machine also for you a regular person if you feel like if your immunity is somehow you feel there's that thing that can help drain bring the fluids to your lymphatic system and then you're able to get rid of it through the urine then on the other hand we have a surface I'm also a person who tried this surface as women, as we age, we know our pelvic floor. Nyo tigua atumia maidina haha. Derefa rogamia you know, we have that tighten that your pelvic floor. Neo teoria twiragwa atiriri ukirite uguka tugakuria karo ni reka Kegel exercise.
Ukirite rohana gutie mundu ramenya.
But this one ukorago you are fully dressed. This it gives you, it's a chair like this. Na igukuhe those those muscle tightening. Also to atumia even athuri aria makoretwo na murimu wa prostate cancer, it's also nikora makoragwo na thina ucio ukaigwa nake no muhaka uige reke kana wathie gutheka ukaiga ni muramenya kana no muhaka twitutinde na diaper na ngituri anini I know utiko need diaper, so we need to, you know, to do that and you need, depending no really, you can do 2 times, do 3 nigukurikana mundu no guthie kuga uria araigwa.
Susan, do mean how gogo ha muthia ni haguteithia mutumia, especially after kugia mwana uria twitigagira ati njira muthamaki ya gukorwo itari sawa ruko
ni guteithia i make it that na uguthie ukaigwa to your comfort level. We have another machine, and this one we also we are thinking also for men. This has become a very crucial thing. Nitushokete kuigua thuri uhoro wa kunywa tu blue pills.
Yes.
Tutikwenda kuigua ni muthire
in the line of duty.
In the line of duty, yeah. Tutikwenda kuigua fragi ni githire in the line of duty. Anyway, it's not a joke, but it's serious. So we have a machine that helps most of the time. Kiria gigiragereria ri na andu ingi ni either mena murimu wa blood pressure, diabetes, ku mikiheyo ri igakorwo ndirahota gupampu thakame ndirahota guthie through. So we have a machine, also this one. It's very private. You just call us. Tinie, we have a male attendant who will work with you, walk with you through the journey, and it reduces the amount of, you don't need it. Most people don't, you cut using the pills, because pills also, they have side effects. Yeah, so that one also helped with opening, and it's non-invasive. Machine iria turi nacio hati handura thi gutheshwo no hati handura irwanga wiki atia. Very, very comfortable. You can come kiroko hwaini lunch na there's no ati guthie kuhio, no downtime. Ono kuma haha no shoke fegi okokirita wira fegi othi mundu kumenya ni haria uma.
Wow, good job Susan. Na uga machine ici ciothe ni approved
by FDA.
Okay. Wow, thank you so much Susan for that. Tugakena muno ni undu wa motungata macio mothe watutariria. Of course with time ni turioka na tukonia mwiroreri tuga makeup ati no ukioha kwa githio hiki wina bridal shower, wina photo shoot, wina kundurenda guthie kwa fata. This is the place to be. Dwara ke everything ufatie gukorwo guka gwikirwo guko ni turimonia with time ikinyagwa ikinya riu ri Susan.
On addition, ni tugaga atiriri, also if you have a birthday party, engagement, so we can be able to provide that. We'll make it very cool, especially in the evening, which is in the evening. You can see the lighting is very, very romantic. So ogeda go surprise modu dakamenya niwenda kumu engage, kana niwenda gwika a birthday party. Those are things that are happening. You know, you can come with your girls evening out, party, come here, have a girls corona kaudu muraria you're still getting pampered. We do that. Also we encourage, actually that has been very, very uptake yayo ikoretwo high. Parents andu ni marare here shiari, and thank you to Thika moms. The ladies have been bringing their parents here. Nice. And now makama bukira massage magoka as a partner na muthuri na mutumia makaigwa me comfortable. No me akuri athuri makwe ai kudige now, but they are getting very, very comfortable here, and people are doing that. So kudos to those ladies who are really like makama bukete.
Wow, that is wonderful Susan. Na kamera ine shitu ni twamonia ishera goko around, but quickly Susan, now twire from the reception haria mundu araingirira ri what do we have all these rooms that are in this place ando matigeciria no haha tu ikinde tamatariria tu na ke
so twaingira ri we have the reception then right after beside it hena room ige we call it as a consultation room we also use that room not to me huthire like if ni mwoka muri ige ni murenda guikara how we can be able to offer you a glass of wine sitting there if we still have a place where other people can sit but also extra how then when you come you on your left we have another room that serves multiple purposes so that's where we do the skin analysis. Then you come where we have the pedicure that we have 6 stations. So the pedicure are 3 and manicure are 3. We have our private bathroom, very, very clean. Pride of it.
Sure.
Then we have also for my staff, I have a break room where they can be able to sit, have their lunch without being disturbed.
Yes.
And then we have a room that is our lab on your right.
Yes.
Then we have a medical room that is if you need those surfaces,
yes,
then we have that room for those surfaces. Then we have a room for massage, even waxing. I forgot to say that we also do a lot of waxing.
Okay.
Yeah, and the other thing is as far as product, I'm also have the opportunity to source most of my product from US.
Okay.
I'm buying them from US because and I try to use it even the makeup. I source my makeup from US. If I ran out, there is always somebody who is coming.
Wow. Congrats, Susan, once again. Now niwira mwega ni kundu guthaka muno and we hope to do a lot for the people aria matwiroreire, especially how wellness.
Yes.
Ni undu wa bata muno. Susan, he kaundu itana kuria ungienda kurikiriria nako haha kamera-ini muno undu konaine na investment ni ngukuritie mundu ena kuria ri ni tura fight muno kuona visa cia guthie nja na muno America. I know someone ne kuona we guku no washoka and you're already doing so much for yourself and for the community. Is it worth guthie na kuja?
Oh, nijiraga mundu atiriri no he category. Let me put this disclaimer. Okoro wina miaka igana and you are doing okay in Kenya. If you are making 100 and above, ina wina gwaku na wina miaka 60 tiga gwiciria horo wa guthie Kenya tondu ruga US ri ona uragithie kwanjia kuruta wira hindi ri ora retire na you know gutire pesa ati nyingi ugwithie guthondeka you know but iyo ni amundu on you retired and you are doing okay tiga guthie gutengerania na mathaa kuria you know even yourself akino eda mwire waku no relax if you are struggling yes but if you are not struggling na nduri na ciana tondu na wathie ciana si 20 something by the time mahe office because you have to wait utwike US citizen we come up but for anybody who is young we will encourage them to go. If you get that opportunity, go because no, be careful. Tugathio nyito kuri andu mathire makinyitwo ni mauraha ma America makirigano ni kikia matwarire. So right now there is a program that is kuma advertise but I have seen the kids that have finished masters bachelor gukuri na magathie US ri they able to adapt na already ni moe no kona andu acio ni mathi magathie shoka thukuru mageka masters makagia mawira mega. So I encourage that but kwe hadu gukwira mundu wakinya miaka engiri rora but also I also need to tell people who are in US miaka enge wakinya please because I've seen adu aria retired Americans who have retired they did not timodo othe ne tutikwihenya timodo othe ugakona investment ati agaikaragira gitia karia. There are people who are struggling and we also have Kenyans who be struggling kogo ni ukurora ati mbeca iria uraheo cia retirement you'd no ko average mundu atokora ithondeka ngiri igana cia retirement na wina nyumba gwaku you be better off we Kenya. This thing they say ati uhoro wa kurwara why would we think of the bad things ati uhoro wa kurwara ati ndarwara ri ni ngakwa ungigikwa nginya America you can die anywhere ona no yagukwa ni murimu thio kongaine hau neho werirwo niho gakwira niho gakwira so that thing of say oh the medical health care what do you think about we America rwarite maita maigana you know how many times have you know noko wina maratathi wakigwa ni warwara ndugithie kuo you know so that me nejugaga it's okay to go to America but go with open minds you can invest there are also a lot of investments you can do but also Kenya there investment na karo tondu ni njui ni ukoragwo we handu hagi ugitukumaga ri ni kwenda kugatiriri na uri okona nyamu video no ri nithikiriirie ngioka ngithie wira ngana ngiumira wira nithikagiriria radio na ni njigwo horo wa tutiri tukiendio he migunda ni radio not to be honest I feel there's a ni mureka andu a diaspora disadvantage diraiga kuriwe but andu aria othe mendagia migunda in general andu aria mendagia migunda
ni kuigwa feedback
tondu hariri nie ndi America ri nie ndi igua tu migunda twa 300 magana meri all you could hear is millions urajira milioni imwe milioni 3 utirakira ndiraigwo ngani akiuga tondu no ndikimagweterwa na imenyete andu a migunda maigaga o magana milioni no mwi Kenya ri ni murerana kundu kwi 200 300 400 na kundu ku kuingi muragweta ri ni kundu thiete na ngona ogwo ngaigwa magweta kai ti ndiagirire na haha muthenya ungi angagirie ku and it's nice places muraga kwirira andu a diaspora niki
ui ni tukumerera
muramenderi indo cia goro tondu wagira mutiramakinyiria muramera uhoro wa milioni imwe ri to be probably with the exchange rate no kone kindu 8000 and something it's about 8000 ugira mundu 8000 ri no mwire 300 amenye ni ngiri na the same payment plan murahe
ya mieri 6
ya mieri 6 ona America ndukuridi mieri 6 ino ya 300 ri ukurihana mieri every paycheck igate gutuma ngiri 50 ni arekia
hau ne tugwite kigeranio
hau ne mugwite kigeranio
tutinda tukiuga cia milioni kwina cio cia magana
milioni you know yesterday actually I was talking to my friend to US ndamwirate kai by the way these people we mugundu ria waguria milioni kia kira waguria ndagurire anga milioni cigana na ndamwirate ukurite to ni ngio ni kurite haraihu na haha ndiraigua kwa wazinya hururu the other day I'm like it's not even far na hau harendio anga magana maigana
Nyaru could even be 200
and by the way
300
gutire kundu kuraihu Kenya that's what I have found gutire handu haraihu tukanagia wero kia ni gikuna endo nuru ereke gikare ko utaragi ukarushi like
na teri do futhaga
like now I was telling I always give this story about Mebri my sister akigura Mebri kwendagia ga 70 no ni madakira 70000 ni dakira darora clay wax ure ndahitukaga hau ona riria njukite koina inaga guo ni riua
uria miruri ya riua
what riri rukuwe no ngithie guikara kuo no you cannot even afford Mebri
iri ni milioni kuma 5 guthi na iguru
even here in Wetaithie there's another day they were going for like 40k
ona gwetagwo kwa hiti
right now I don't know kurathie mbeca cigana keno haha keno iranyitanirio
that's not above 3M
I went to Juja Juja farm na kukundu taiguaga urathi ugakora
nginya migunda ngiri 500
but people matirerwa that's the point tragedy ya kwa
mane maigire video ine no muthi ate kwinayo na no mahurire tuti andu a diaspora ndona ni muratukonga poleni tuga sorry
as an ex diaspora I'm still a diaspora still have roots there but how uri muthondeke
ni tuguthondeka how coming from the horse's mouth how no nginya tugithondeka
mwire buhe apa ona we orire kuigua ndakuigua
Tugatago million tuga send away potential buyers na ndo marenda ku invest
tondu tari even you could be capturing younger people who still feel magana matatu mundu ndangiremwo tamakani akuigona agari kagia ngiri that tamakano ahote.
It is true.
No iga million wera mundu imena ngiri 10
already wa mo block
no aba wa mo block
nitukurora how Susan and thank you, that's great feedback kumenya ati hari andu me willing go make invest but our mode of communicating kiria kiri hori tukageria gwiciria makire kwa dollars reke tumerire ici cia million no konda kwenda haha mala ha magana matano
igio by the way Kenyans mundu ndakamenta makadukana rore and also people need to look tondu ni hotete gwithi Kenya kuigiri even people don't mutika huthie naku as long as kwina fara ndirathire githumo you know we don't even in Western you don't even have go there at we carry in the city at Kisii you go into the rural you see people have done wonderful
sana
maina kuura tara ni kundu gutari but urathi ukona ni mukawa mundu ekira handu hena faratu hena mukawa na no ku araikara but mukawa ucio it's full so adu matikaiga ati ni nagicagi people are traveling in Kenya
and doing so much.
Yes.
Wow. Thank you, Susan. We truly appreciate the feedback.
And EthanEla the name behind
EthanEla yes
EthanEla so Ethan is my son's name, Ela is my daughter's name.
So now it becomes EthanEla. He ne matuka CEO.
And my daughter is way very involved. From construction to the surfaces to the design, you know, the full whole thing.
Wow. Thank you so much, Susan. Kiugo kia muthia haria ni njui ndungiaga kaundu ngituririkania ka muthia na bashi ya thimu cia guku.
So karibuni sana EthanEla GlowSpa where it's all about beauty and wellness, where you feel welcome, where you feel home. Our phone numbers see how they our location but to Thika CPD to also to go on TikTok EthanEla GlowSpa, Facebook EthanEla GlowSpa, Instagram EthanEla GlowSpa. Yes, karibuni sana na mwoka guku nitumuheaga chai wine my kire giothe ungeigwa ni ukwenda and also I say for any concerns if you come here you don't fight me please if there's anything I'm always for customer service and I like to hear from people. I like feedback to have feedback whether good or bad we welcome to do if we don't hear from our customer so tigota ko grow and I'm also that person I believe in giving feedback nini huragira kabuni ngamira ai apa eguthirio na thireka wira-ini waku haha niguo nyonire can you guys fix that and I need we would like to hear the same
wow thank you so much Susan.
Thank you so much.
I can't wait to go corona very again. Talk a whole conversation. You're a good storyteller. I have loved the interview with you. Thengio muno nawe mwiroreri ndire na maundu maingi ingiongerera otiga gukwirira ati ni ngukorwo ngiguceria thiini wa EthanEla nigetha utaukwo makiria maundu macio mothe twakorwo tugitaririo ni Susan umeonere na maitho mangi ni guthie hari social media pages cia EthanEla na ni ugukorwo ukimona ona thiini wa kirathi no urikoragwo ukiona motungata maria marakinyanirio thiini wa spa ino. God bless you so much ni undu wa gukorwo wethete kirathi uga subscribe uka like na uga share content ito. We don't take it for granted. Ritwa riakwa ni Kinyugo MWAURA.